Hey, this is Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out this little app right here called WinWalk, and maybe you're wondering, is it legit? Can you really make money just from walking, okay? Or is it a big waste of time? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more 100% from home, just click the link all the way at the bottom. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a huge waste of time. So let's check out WinWalk to find out whether this is a good use of your time to make money or a big waste of time. All right, now WinWalk is basically a walking app that allows you to make a little bit of rewards from your actual walking. Okay, so it's a free app. You can download it onto your phone. You can just come here to the Google Play Store. It's mainly for the Android, right? And it's got over 1 million downloads, so it's a very popular app, right? And the way that it works is as soon as you download it, it just uses your phone's pedometer to get access to your exercise data. Okay, so you don't need any special equipment, you don't need a Garmin, you don't need any special watches or anything like that. It's just going to use your phone, and you have to give it access to your exercise data. And what it does basically is it collects this data and it uses it for market research. Okay, now for doing that, it will reward you with some additional income. Okay, we'll talk about that in a second and how much it's worth. Now, you can also do things like play games, you can take surveys, you can watch videos, and actually those strategies will pay you a little bit more money. We'll talk about that in a second, but mainly it's a pedometer that's going to measure your steps. Okay, so the way it works is for every 100 steps that you take, you will earn 1 coin. All right, 100 steps is 1 coin. Now, the maximum that you can earn per day is 100 coins a day. Now, that's equivalent to 10,000 steps a day. Okay, so that's the maximum that you can do every single day. Now, if you do 10,000 steps a day, which is very rare, by the way, it's very hard to do that, all right? The average person only does about 4,000 to 5,000 steps on average per day. You will earn between 5 and 10 cents a day. So it's not a lot of money, all right? So the thing about WinWalk is it's not designed to make you a ton of money. It's really just designed to reward you a little bit for exercise. It's to get you excited about exercise. It'll collect your data on how many steps you take a day, and it's going to reward you a little bit of money. All right, so if we do the math on that, realistically we're looking at an average of 5,000 steps a day per person. So that's roughly about 5 cents a day. Okay, 5 cents a day, that's about $1.50 a month. Okay, so it's really not going to break the bank. Okay, and then they don't pay out cash. What they do is they actually allow you to redeem for gift cards, but the minimum gift card is about $10. Okay, so you have to rack up roughly about $10 worth of store credit in order for you to withdraw your gift cards. But they do have a lot of gift cards. They've got Subway, H&M, Amazon. They've got what else? The Xbox. They've got Domino's. They've got a lot of different gift cards that you can redeem. Now, the big question though is how long is it going to take you before you can actually redeem? All right, because we roughly know it pays about 5 cents for 5,000 steps a day. On average, that's how much people walk. Now, sure, you can go and you can do a run and you can go to the gym and you're gonna jack up your steps, right? But even then, it's only about 10 cents, okay? So you're gonna earn anywhere between, I would say, $1 and $3 per month. All right. Now, if you're an average person, it will take you roughly about 10 months to get to $10. Right, so don't expect to be able to withdraw the gift cards anytime soon, okay? But if you're super active, then maybe you can do it in less time. Maybe you can do it in a few months, maybe 3 months, 4 months, that kind of thing. But it's still going to take you a little bit of time, right? So what I recommend is, even though it's a cool app, and sure, you can make a little bit more money playing the games and taking the surveys and doing videos, predominantly it is a walking app, okay? So if you want to make a little bit more money from these walking apps, what I would recommend is combining it with some other good ones. There's another one, a good one called WeWord. Okay, WeWard, sorry. You can download this as well. So you can have them running on your phone concurrently. So this is one called WeWard app, and another one is called Cashwalk. Okay, so you can download all these 3 apps, get them running on your phone at the same time, and you should be able to make a little bit more. All right, not a ton more, but a little bit more. So maybe instead of $1 to $3 a month, you'll make a little bit more than that. Maybe $7 a month, maybe $10 a month if you're doing really well, all right? But still, $10 a month is not going to break the bank, okay? But remember, it's free and it allows you to just earn a little bit of rewards from walking, which I think is pretty cool. So if you want to check it out, you can just head over to WinWalk and you can download it from the Google Play Store, right? Now, if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make bigger money, right? The internet's very powerful. There are many ways to do it. On this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. But out of the good strategies, and I've tried a lot of them, there is one strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019. I 5 times my corporate salary. It's an amazing strategy. I think it's really good for beginners, anybody that's never made any money online before, and it has the potential to really change your life if you're consistent and you actually take action. Now, if you want to check out the strategy, I have a masterclass that goes through it in a lot of detail, step by step. Just click the link all the way at the bottom and I'll give you access to that for free, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of WinWalk. All the best to you, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.